So, in answer to a question that I know none of you have asked, how do you unsolder chips from a 40-year-old motherboard? Let's find out. So, what I like to use to unsolder chips is this. It's a desolder gun. So, I'll show you how this works. So, this is the thing that does the actual desoldering. It gets up to, I've got it set to 400 degrees C. So I don't know if that's too hot or not hot enough, but that seems to work best for me. So yeah, we've got some chips here to desolder, so that's what we'll do. So as I've said, this gets hot. So let's have no more further mishaps, and we shall just desolder this. So put it on, a little bit of a wiggle, a bit of smoke to choke by, and you can see that's took the solder off that pin. Same for this one. Wait till it gets soft, the solder, that is. There we go. That's how you desolder the pins. Bosh, bosh, bosh. Chip will fall out.